Are you going to pick them up? Pick up your eggs, please. Put them in the basket. Hey, you left a mess over here. Doodlebug. You got to pick them up. Put them in the basket. You do the hot dog dance? Do the hot dog dance. There you go. He can't dance because you've dirtied up this floor so bad. Do the hot dog dance. Hot dog, hot dog. Do you do it? Good job. Up on your feet. Good job. You're doing your hot dog dance. Bye. Bye, Mickey. Where's Minnie? Minnie? Where's Mickey? Me? Yeah, you're me. Look at this house. Uh-huh. Where's Angie? Where's Auntie Angie? She's in the sky? Where's Nana? They're up north, right? Yep, that's right. North. Where's Papa? Papa's up north too? That's right. Where's Papa Jones? Well, I guess they're both Papa Jones. All right. If Mama's confused, you're too confused. Say bye. You blow kiss? Mwah. Good job. Oh. Bye, Angie. Yeah. There's Angie? Your ravioli face.